Good ball, Mike. Go get it, bud.
Look at this shot. Oh, look at it. Let's see a shot.
Great hit.
How about it? All right, have a nose, Cam.
That's the working ball, bud.
Outside. Come on. You're not done. Up the hill. All right, good break. Take advantage. Run it down. One to hit.
Deep breath, buddy.
No, come on. Oh, come on. All right, have 10. Every stick. Yep. If everybody did that league, it would take 3 hours.
You're right. What a ball, Mike. There's a little break.
That ball first. This is like
Grab those two, buddy. It's gonna go.
like an obstructed view team.
Right. 6 in right field at Fenway.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy, just missed.
Outside work for him. All right, kick it around. Let's see a shot.
What'll work. Sit with one now. Sit with one. Get yourself going.
Okay, every stick. Give me 10.
It's okay. We're all together. They're one big bunch.
Okay, Cam, one to sit on. Sit on him high.
Big out. Big out.
Work, work, push.
All right.
Push. Come on up.
Next half, you're right there.
Oh, we like. Oh, you're outside.
All right, space. Come on.
Right on the head. How about it? Good kid. Good kid. Have 10. Run for the lead. Oh, there it is. Take it nice, ball line. Shot. Oh, thank God. Dude, it's the same ass. Yeah. There, Mike. Big fail.
Hey there! Princess Leia.
All right, Princess
That's what I prefer to go by.
Get out. Stop that way. All right. Here we go.
All right, we got 2 or 3 here.
Hey, pick up the spare. Is it one game?
Hey, just up. Pick up the 10, Mike. Here we go.
Yeah! Oh, there we go. Stanley, right here.
There you go. Good out. There you go. Pick this.
Yeah. All right, big out here. Big out.
There we go, Leda. There you go. This lane is not fun. I'm gonna hate it. Oh, there you go. No love.
Different.
Yeah.
Oh, out here.
Oh my God. I think so.
Come on.
Here you go, Mike.
You guys rate your names in the first one and two. You guys are on the second one. Leave match to win.
Okay. No, you're supposed to have the scores there. Oh well. Just try not to.
Gotta grind those out.
Hey, Bob, here. Come on. Yeah.
Oh my God. Take it. Great. What happened? She's not coming in. Let's pick up the towel. Here we go. Hey, big box here.
There you go. Come on.
Oh my God.
There you go. Come on. Oh, baby.
There it is. Take it. Set up. Oh! Almost. Nice try. Nice try. I thought you had it. There it is. Nice. We got a swatch lane.
Break, little break.
Nice out.
I want to break up my own. Like, that's it. Like, well, Mike, you can make that. Just buy it, buddy. Just buy it. Get your count here. Nice out, bud. All right, Mike. Nice and relaxed, buddy. Deep breath, take your time.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Find that front pin, buddy. That was a good time up there. Nothing to worry about. Maybe. Good try, Mike. grind, Mikey. Good grind, bud.
No worries. Back on the head pin. Keep hanging.
That's an extra.
Good ball. Work. Push. Kick it around. One to hit. Alright, let me stick. Give me 2.
Yes. Come on, baby. Go get it.
Alright, stay patient. 2 to go.
Good job.
Room for 2.
That's it. That's it. Come on now. Let's go with John. Whatever.
Alright, work it out, Ken. Take a bunch. Work it out.
I know. I heard you. Good ball, bud. Nothing you can.
How about it?
Oh, nice shot.
Nice shot. Well done. Same ball.
Oh, look at this. Whoa, Mike. Good job, buddy. Good 8 out of that. A little better break on the head this time.
How about it? Work! Push! Nice build. Right on it. Takes another. Come on. Oh, come on, you are hit. Oh. We like it.
Oh, look at this. That's interesting.
Come on!
That's a big pin.
Push.
Alright. No problem. No problem. This time. It'll be fine. Nice finish, man. Nice finish.
How about it?
Oh, nice shot.
Nice shot. Well done. Same ball.
Oh, look at this. Whoa, Mike. Good job, buddy. Good 8 out of that. A little better break on the head this time.
How about it? Work! Push! Nice build. Right on it. Takes another. Come on. Oh, come on, you are hit. Oh. We like it.
Oh, look at this. That's interesting.
Come on!
That's a big pin.
Push.
Alright. No problem. No problem. This time. It'll be fine. Nice finish, man. Nice finish.
There we go. Good night.
Got a hold down. What? Oh, fuck that.
Again!
Oh, keep calling. This guy can save that.
Yeah, we're here! Get over! Yeah, boy!
Before this, my low was 94 or 98. Hey, drive this. There it is. Yes. Nice. Thought you had that one. Nice. Here you go, Mike. Nice pinning. Yeah, but he also has a fill. Yeah. And 4 more boxes.
Come on!
How many teams were there? Alex. Oh, keep balling. Hey, pick up another, Mike. There's only 8 right now. I know. 16. What? I think there's 16. No, 14. Yeah. I don't know how many make it though. How many teams are there? 8? Can you go ask? So I can go ask to be able to breathe again. Alex and I both thought it was 4. Yeah! Hey, 9 or another mic. I'm having a heart attack right now. Oh, I see what's going on. Hey, shake that off, Mike. Take them. Work. Hey, they're all clustered. Alex, how many teams make it? I don't know. I hope one. It can't be 4. There's like 14 teams. Hey, pick this up, Mike. Oh, nice try, nice try. Oh, that sucks. Nice try. Hey, next box. We got it here.
Yeah.
That's a ball. Oh, no luck. Yeah!
There you go.
Nice shot. Like the only the top team. Wait, okay. Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, it's very close. 5 pins. Yeah, but you guys have a fill. Yep. Oh, take it! I don't want to face the dude that just got like a freaking 160. You only got 130. Good ball! Ball, Herb. Did they win ball? Yeah. Exactly. Oh. That was good. Oh no, I got 160.
No luck, man. Good ball.
Huh? It is. Oh, nice try, nice try.
Sorry, buddy. Leave that away.
Just for fun.
Leave that away.
That's a good attitude. Thank you. There's always next time. Exactly.